So here I have two reds and half ball angle for the blue ball. In this case, it's very difficult to hold a cue without cushion for the reds. So I have a couple of options how to make a good position. So in this way, I will play cushion shot, bounce and position for the red here. So that means I will play with the little bit right hand side. In this case, I cannot play center cue ball because I'm gonna show you what is gonna happen if I'm gonna play only center. The cue ball is gonna bounce to the cushion and go close to the cushion here, and I will have a difficult pot, which will make my position for other ball much difficult and potting as well. I'm playing only center cue ball, and you will see how the cue ball is gonna bounce to the cushion. You see? It's too close to the cushion, and I have bad position. Yes, of course, I can pot the red ball and have good position for the black, but professionals doesn't play in such a way. They play with little bit side, so they could have a cue ball a little bit closer to the center part of the table. That means they could put normal bridge hand and play the normal cue action without cushion shots.
Play this shot with a stand shot, center cue ball or just tiny bit below cue ball center, and try to find the right pace how to play at the correct cue ball speed. Some snooker tables and clubs are slow, some fast, other medium speed. So tables all around are very different and you need to play in certain way to judge the pace well. So be attentive and smart. Also, there is a big difference how to play on the new cloth and old cloth. But about this topic in detail I will talk about on the next videos.
So if here is the center, so I'm gonna play with a little bit right hand side. Of course, I need to adjust aiming just slightly. So if I'm playing with the right hand side, that means I have to aim a little bit thicker around here. And I'm gonna play the shot. The cue ball is gonna bounce to the cushion, bounce here, and I will have an amazing position for the red, and then I can go continue my break again. A little bit of right hand side. You see? Already the cue ball is a little bit more away, but I didn't play in the good way because I want to leave my cue ball around this area here. You see? Now I didn't play it with enough power, so this is not a good enough shot. So I'm gonna play this time two cushion shot with a little bit right hand side. So I'm gonna play cushion, cushion and position for this red there.
Try to practice this exercise 2-3 times per week, and after a few weeks you will have better knowledge and skills. Remember, good practice makes perfect. And now, go to your snooker practice table. Until next time, peace! If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.